go here, Pat.
Okay. Alright, man, I'm gonna get your helicopter dirty.
That's okay, we'll wash it. Okay, I'm coming off.
Okay. Hey, Roth.
Yeah. Do me so I can clip this door. Or, never mind. Never mind. I'm good. I'm gonna put these guys in and...
Copy that, and I'm sure you're already taking care of it. Do you need to bump your fuel truck again?
Yeah, he's on his way over. 4?
Yeah, 4.
Okay. 2 little ones and 2 adults.
Whatever, boy looks scared. I think we might have some animals too. A dog.
One more. Alright, buddy. Oh!
If they're going to want to provide assistance for these guys or what?
Yeah, they got firemen where we were dropping off the last family.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm outside.
Okay, check the power here. Well, no problem.
Got enough? Okay, guys, we're bringing in some more folks.
Kevin, do you see that gentleman walking by that gray house just 2 or 3 o'clock?
I can't see him right. Oh yeah, I see him.
Okay, we're going to start coming down next to the red house, okay?
There you go.
Guys, just watch the rotors on both sides.
We're just going to land right here. We're landing right here. Just watch the rotor blades. Need to move forward, Pat, about 20 feet. There you go, buddy.
Okay, we good down, guys?
What's that?
Yeah, we good?
Oh, you're looking great, Pat. Looking great.
Good on the left.
Nothing underneath you, no rocks. Tail rotor's clear, everything's cool.
Digit 51, truckage is on Kern 2. Repeat incident will be on Kern 2.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, Pat. You're ready to go get some more?
Okay, come on.
Okay. Could you tell they were in there?
You know, there's so much wind over the nose, it wasn't bad.
Good.
This torque is completely useless right now.
Look at that Toyota out your door.
I know, it's nice. How'd it go, Cap?
Good. Tie that up so it doesn't fly for me. Okay, the only people I see is that guy out there.
Want to pick him up?